Got a good one. We got one on the rat, guys. He came for that rat. Pin him down. Top Drop gonna pin him down. We got a rat basket. Stay down there, Bubba. How did we get a rat basket? Woo, boy. Don't sleep on Top Drop. Don't sleep on me. I'll bring out Master Splinter. Check that out. Top Drop done brought out Master Splinter. You didn't know I was a teenage mutant. And you see this hat, Big Bass Dreams, like I'm Oliver Nye. That's my West Side guy. You got Ice Cube, Ice T, and I guess I'm T-Bag. Lego. Check that out, guys. A biggin' on that rat. Chocolate swim baits, holla at your boy. You know I love them rats. That's my favorite rat right now. Let's get them on. That's the mouth. That's the fish. He's healthy and active. The fish is gone. Go. Oh, there we go. On the rat. On the rat, guys. Rat it up. Rat it up. I gotta get a Master Splinter out here. I gotta get Master Splinter. There we go. There we go. Another one. Another one. Let's get these bad boys in here. So I'm just gonna have to do it like this, guys. Jeez, come on, man. I don't know what my backup scale is, but that's the mouth. That's the whole fish. Check that out. Fish release. See him. Swim off. Oh, here we go. Got one. Got one on the TSG, guys. Stay down. Stay down for Top Drop. I hope that's not a pickerel. Nope. Bass. I'll take them. That's the fish. Carson and Kate. See that fish go? You'll see her go. There she goes.